Hey loves, welcome back. It's me, Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new. In today's video, it's going to be pretty slow paced, pretty chill. As you know from my previous video, I had an injury to my head, so I'm supposed to keep cool for the next 5 days. So I am just going to slowly clean the kitchen and the living room and fold a little bit of laundry. And it does seem like I'm doing things very fast, but it is the power of editing. So if you are needing some nighttime motivation, grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, a snack, and let's get this done. Okay, so before we begin, I quickly wanted to thank Dancemoon for sending out this pet hair remover. I am pretty sure that they've seen previous videos, and our cat Jazzy recently, about 3.5 weeks ago, gave birth to 5 beautiful kittens. So we have a total of 1 cat and 5 kittens in the home right now. So this pet hair remover is going to come in very handy every single day. As you can see, I am unboxing it, and it does come in 2 pieces. The handle is actually built inside of the actual product, which is so cool. This thing is very easy to assemble. You just twist on the handle, and then at the end of the handle it has this rubber brush that you can use to help you take out the pet hair. It's very smooth right here, and I really love the rubber lining that it has on it. It kind of reminds me of the vacuum cleaner. This is the brush that I was talking about, and I am going to demonstrate it to you guys on the ottoman. I was looking forward to opening this box, and I'm so glad that I was finally able to do it. I'm quickly going to read over the instructions before I head over to the sofa. And once I get over to the ottoman, I am going to quickly show you that you can see a lot of the pet hair and then just whatever lint is on the sofa. Now, the thing is, with this product, you want to move it forward and backward. That's the way that it's going to work. So you will notice that I am quickly just moving forward and backward. I'm not moving as fast as I would like. Again, I have a head injury, but I am moving forward and backward, and just because of the color of the sofa, you cannot really see, but you will be amazed once I start to take out the pet hair from the actual pet hair remover, how much it actually does pick up. And this was just a quick demonstration on the ottoman. Later on in the video, I start doing the sofa, but as you can see a little bit here, but once I get the brush and I start to clean it out, you will definitely see that it picked up so much. I really recommend this product. It's a 10 out of 10. I will leave it linked down in my description box. Again, I wanted to thank Dancemoon for sending over this pet hair remover. Very easy to use. I'm sure the kids are going to be able to use it with no problems at all. Again, look at all of that pet hair that is coming out with this amazing little brush that was built into the handle. I think that was a great idea. Like, the person who came up with that idea, just perfect. It's something that it helps take the hair out. So yes, again, thank you Dancemoon for sending this out, and I appreciate it, and looking forward to working with you again in the future.
Questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby.
Okay, love, so we are moving on into the kitchen. Well, I've actually been cleaning the kitchen for about a minute or two. I had recently cleaned out my mop vac, so now that everything is dry, I am going to quickly put it back together, and then I am going to be wiping down the countertops and loading up the dishwasher. I did not have a lot of dishes this night. The girls have been doing an amazing job keeping up with things around the house because they want to make sure that mommy gets some rest. So I am so thankful for my girls. I really appreciate everything that they've been doing the past couple of days to help me out. But I am going to quickly just take anything out of the kitchen that does not belong, wipe down the countertops, load dishwasher, and clean off the island, and then we'll be moving into the living room.
With you, we no longer talk when it gets hard, so it only gets harder. I know you were gonna get the best of me. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. Oh, I'd rather be with you, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just tried, if we just tried. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. We can do better, baby, I believe. Come a little closer, we can dive in deep. We can do it better, baby, I believe. I believe. Even if I try and try so hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try so hard, tell me what you do now. Dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, if we just try. So come on, baby, dive deeper, dive deeper, yeah. Dive deeper, dive with me, yeah. I know we could fly if we just try, baby, try, try, try. I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
So now I am working my way into the living room. The living room is not that bad. It's mostly just the laundry that is sitting on the sofa. I was cleaning out my boys' room, and I know that y'all seen that rolling hamper that I rolled out of there at the beginning of the video. Well, all the clothes that were in that hamper I've already washed. So that's what you see right here in the basket. So I just need to fold all that up. Those Target bags were school supplies. We recently started doing some early school shopping. So the same thing as the kitchen. It's not too bad. I'm just going to take out the things that don't belong in the living room. And then I'm going to sit down and tackle all of this laundry that really needs to just get out of the living room.
Change me, got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why.
Okay, so we are almost to the end of the video. If you are still here, please drop a laundry basket or a t-shirt, anything of that sort down below to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. I wanted to quickly thank each and every single one of you who left me such a beautiful comment on my last video. telling me that they are going to be praying for a fast and speedy recovery. They are sorry for what happened. I myself am sorry for what happened. I should have been paying more attention. I should have taken things down off the shelf before I decided to move anything out of that closet. I do feel like it's 100% my fault because I am the one who stacks everything in there. But I am feeling a little bit better. I am still in a lot of pain, especially when I am taking my blood pressure. It's like when the cuff is on my arm, I just feel all this pressure in my head and it hurts really bad. And sometimes for a split second, I'll forget that I have the staples in my head and I'll like scratch it, or I'll try to fix the back of my hair and I'll pull on it and it'll hurt so bad. But 3 to 5 days is how long they said I would probably be in pain, and then day 5 is the day that I should get my staples taken out of my head. So I'm just hoping that that just comes really soon because I cannot deal with the pain. And then the medication is too strong. I cannot take it during the day because it knocks me out. But I really wanted to get this video out for you guys because I have a goal, and that was to be consistent for the remaining of 2024. So I am doing my best to get videos out every Wednesday and Sunday. That's just something that I made a promise to myself and also to you guys. I want to thank each and every one of you for hanging out with me tonight. To all of my oldies but goodies, guys, you already know. Thank you. Your support will never ever go unnoticed, and I will forever tell you thank you in every single video for showing your support. I love you for it. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. So thankful to have you here. And to all the ones who watch and have yet to subscribe, I will thank you in every video as well, because you are taking time out of your day to watch my channel, my videos, whether it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, or the full 12 minutes. I appreciate it. I hope that you all have a great night, and I hope that I see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching, liking, comment, and subscribing, and I will see you all in the next one. XOXO. Love, Jessie.
To anybody, I don't wanna know the hobby, so always down in the lobby.